Okay, now we are going to convert it into 3D. First of all, you have to change it in the 3D by using this. Click on the setting and change it in the 3D modeling. Okay, now see, the first option is visible here, that is called the polysolid. Now see, what is the polysolid? We use polysolid for the create walls, okay, in our plan, on our plan, on the 2D plan. So click on, when you click on the polysolid, you can see the object height, width, and the justification option is visible here. Now, first of all, you have to define the height of the wall. So height of the wall, we have 10 feet. Width of wall, first of all, suppose I want to create the outer walls. So outer wall width is 9 inch. And you can see that the justify option is visible here. If I click on the left, now you can see that your wall is start from the left. Okay, if I select the right, you can see your wall will be start from the right. If I select the center in the justify, you can see your wall will start from the center point of your line. Understood? So when you click on the left, your line will start from on this side. So click on the justify and start the wall like this. Click here and click on this point, click on this point, okay, and do the enter. Don't, if you click on the escape button, your wall does not create.
Lose it.
So rotate this plan now and you can see your wall is created.
Shift and scroll key to rotate.
And by also using this orbit key, you can control your
Orbit.
rotation from here. Now the next thing is that you can change the visual style from here. You can select realistic view like this. Okay, so that is the realistic view. You can see now I want to create inner walls. So first of all, go in the 2D wireframe and select the top plan. Now I want to create, you can set the realistic view in the 2D also, like you can see your walls are visible now. But that is the top, okay, top view. Now I want to create these walls. So first of all, click on the polysolid, you can see here, and the width now you need to change, like width is the 4 inch now. Now you can start your wall from here. Do the F3 and change it in the wireframe, okay. Now start the polysolid from here like this. Now you can see the width is very much, so check the width from here, that the width is 4 feet now, so do it the 4 inches, okay, and start the wall from here. You can see the your wall is coming in the inner part of your wall, and click here and the enter. So wall is created now. Also create a wall here like this, okay. But I already told you that we didn't use much this AutoCAD 3D, okay. We have many softwares like 3ds Max and the Revit. Now create like this. Like this. So now you can see this wall is, the width of this wall is 9 inches, okay. So you have to again click on the polysolid and change the width of the wall. I put here 9 inches and okay. Now you can change the justification also. If I click on the left, you can see a wall start from the left side. So you have to we have to click on the right, okay. So click on the polysolid, go in the justify and click on the right option. Let's start your wall from here. This is also outer wall and the enter. Understood? So your walls are created now, okay. Now this is the boundary wall, okay, and the height of the boundary wall is generally we take like 5 feet to 6 feet, okay. So change the height of the boundary wall from here. I want to just keep it 5 feet and okay, and start from here and create it like this. Now 3D is created now.
Mm.
Suppose you want to create a floor, so then you can create a floor by using the just create a rectangle here like this. Okay, and rotate it, and you can extrude it now. Click on the extrude and click on your rectangle because it is polyline. Okay, and enter. Now you can give the height of your extrusion. Like if I put the 5 inches, so it will extrude 5 inches thickness. 5 मिनट हो गए सर का काम में आ रहेगा सर इसको करवा देना लास्ट दिन okay now you can provide the material also by using the M enter. This is the short key for the MAT. Sorry, MAT enter is the short key for material. And you can select any material, like if I want concrete, or if you want the stones also you can select from here. Okay, so this type of stones you will go to, because it's limited material we have in the AutoCAD. Okay, not much materials we got here, so you can directly you can drag them and you can place on your walls like this. Okay, like this. Okay, also you can move your objects on the, like suppose if you want to move this one on the upper side, you can move like this. And you can copy also. Okay, by using the CO enter, and pick it from here and the place here like this, and do the right view, and you can move it like on this side also. Okay, now there is another thing, camera also you can put in the on the, also you can make a video also in AutoCAD, like same like we can create in the any walkthroughs in the 3ds Max also, but you can create here by using the A and I. Okay, this is the short key. First of all, we have to provide a path. Suppose I'm going to create a path first of all. So SPL enter, I create by using the SPL enter and create a spline like this. So this is a path on which your camera will move. Okay. Max की है क्लास में AutoCAD 3D नहीं हुआ अभी कौन सा वो भी नहीं हुआ. So click on the ANI and select the path from here. Click on the path. Okay. Okay. And you can change the resolution of your video from here, and the time duration also you can increase. And now you can preview it. So you can see the camera will move on your path now. So like this, you can create a video in AutoCAD also and click on the OK, and you can save it anywhere where you want. Okay, and if you want to take a render, so you double R enter is the short key, RR enter. Okay, but render quality is not good in the AutoCAD, okay? So that's why we didn't use it. Understood? So it's all about, now you can change in the 2D also from here again. Tapping in an annotation, click on this point. Okay. Did you create staircase or not in 3D?
Not in 3D, sir.
So create today, okay? And if you have any doubt, just ask to me tomorrow.
Staircase in 3D?
Yeah, staircase, and also create a create a plan also. Convert it into 3D.
I think I won't be able to do it.
Just try to create, okay? If it's not possible, I'll let you know again.
I'll just show you my staircase once.
Yeah, just wait. Show me now.
This is the plan. Is it visible?
No.
It's taking time to load.
Just send me on the WhatsApp, okay? Just take some pictures and send me.
Okay, sir. I also wanted to ask you how to import AutoCAD files.
Huh?
That I don't know.
How to import AutoCAD files?
Yeah.
Just use the XR enter, external reference.
XR.
Yeah. You can see the DWG
XR.
option. XR enter.
XR enter. I'll just stop share.
You can see the DWG option is here. Attach DWG.
Okay, yeah.
And select your DWG where, suppose I want to insert this one or this one. So open it. Open. You can select. When you put the X enter, you can explode it. Okay, now you can change anything in this one.
Or we can edit from here also.
Yeah.
Explode and?
No, when you first of all insert it, XR enter, and then take it from here. Suppose I open it and place it here. Okay. Just wait. Click on this one, open reference. Open reference. When you click on this one, your plan is visible in the 3D. You can change. Okay. This is how you can insert AutoCAD.
XR enter, and
XR
then
enter.
select a file,
And
open reference,
over. Okay. Now try to create 3D, and if you have any doubt, please ask to me tomorrow. Okay. It's all about for today.
Okay.
Okay, Ben.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.